Hello everyone, this is Phil Storage with Learn to Agile. We are back again with another tutorial video today, and this will be a tutorial on how to use Trello for Feldcamp marketing. Let's begin. So as you can see, there are multiple lists that maintain a smooth workflow with cards attached to each list. Each of these cards contain a task with information. You can add new tasks by adding a new card when clicking on Add a Card to type out a title, like this. Then you can click on the card and add any useful information you like. You can edit, attach, move, and copy information on the card you create, as well as adding new members to the card. Adding a due date for the task is also important for your members to view, so they don't get behind. You can also make comments to stay in contact with your members and keeping them informed. Keeping informed and staying on top of the progress is imperative. You will receive notifications when any other member makes a new post or tags you. As you complete tasks, you can move the cards by clicking and dragging the card into a new list. With this, you will be able to log onto Trello to view any new changes in real time, instead of reaching out through messy emails and waiting for a text reply on progress.